All right, so we'll be covering the next advanced marketing strategy as far as this training is concerned. And by the grace of God, we have been able to cover for free promotion, Amazon ad, Auto Central. Now we'll be talking about A plus content, right? So in case you are yet to cover all of that, ensure that you go to the channel and then you see all the videos, as far as this and training is concerned. So for this or A plus content with A plus content, you can add images, text, and comparison table to your product details page to engage readers and give more information as they consider buying your book. So for this A plus content, you can read more about how to get started with A plus content and all of that. It's a simple concept that if you understand how it works, it will go a long way to help you, as far as your publishing business is concerned. You can read up, so you can read up more about A plus content by going to getting started with A plus content. You open this and then you will see a whole lot of information about that. So A plus content, here are stuff you just have to read and then watch videos to understand how to go about it. And then A plus content guideline, you really have to study this. But I won't have to cover all of this as far as this video is concerned. So please go and um, study about A plus content guideline. Study about A plus content guideline. You have to do that because if you don't do that, you create A plus content that won't go live. That's the issue. So A plus content example. So let me show us something. So this is stuff that Amazon refers to as A plus content. So the reason why we do A plus content is because we want to give more information to our customers concerning our book. So you see this author book. This is the author name. Saying a little about the author, and then my more fan favorites by this. So other books that the author have written, you can also list out your books. You understand? So it's more like you marketing your content. So you have multiple books that you have written. You can compile all of them into an A plus content and then make them more readily available to your customers. So it's an interesting concept as a matter of fact. So you see this here. So these are stuff that we'll be doing, and it's very simple. It's very, very simple. It's not difficult to do. And yeah, sometimes I do mock up for my A plus content, but it's not always a must for you to do that. So for you to start an A plus content, all you just have to do is to open up um where is it? Let's go back to marketing and then A plus content. So to get started with A plus content, you choose a marketplace. Here are all the marketplaces that you can create A plus content for. So let's do for the Amazon.com. So if you click on Amazon.com and then you open manage A plus content, it will take you to, it will request you to log in. So you log into your account, you log into your account, and I need to enter this stuff. Let me enter it. So now that I'm in, here is the A plus content that I've created for my book. I wonder why this hasn't gone live, but while I was uploading it, they said I made a mistake and I've corrected that mistake, but it's still under review. So let me show us how it looks like. So if you open this up, the concept of A plus content is that you would, create these graphics and then add the ASIN that you want the book to be visible for, and then you submit, right? So if you look at this work now, I want this book. Let me put it on the desktop version so that it will look okay. Yeah. So you see, so here are the stuff that I am promoting as far as saying more stuff about my book and all of that. So you see, and these are things that you generate using ChatGPT. It's not a difficult concept. So I have this image. I generated this image using ideogram. So you see this. I did this mock-up using do it yourself AI. So let me go there. Do it yourself book mock-up. So do it yourself mock-up. So I use this website to do that mock-up. So all I just did was that I upload the image. So you can do a single mockup like this, just like you see for this. This one is a single mockup, so I use this to do for the single mockup. You just upload the ebook cover of your book and you get this. And then if you are doing a composite, so the composite is something like this. So I can do something like this, and then I'll click next, and I'll upload the image that I want to use. So let's say I want to use what's the image? Let me go to my download. All right. Let me open. Okay, yeah. So let's say I want to use this image. I upload. So the image will load up, and then all I just have to do is to click on next. You click on next, and when you click on next, you download any of the version, be it PNG or JPG. So you click on download, and automatically it will be downloaded to your system. So you open this up. Here is what we got. So let me open it from. Why is it showing this funny stuff? All right, let me download it again. Why will it have to show that for me? All right, let me see. Wow, this is serious. Well, okay, let me try the PNG to see. I do experience this sometimes, so I don't know why. All right, so downloading. Whoa, instead of it to show me what I uploaded, it's showing me another thing. What is this? Let me go back. Possibly let me refresh this page. Composite. Composite. Let me use this. I've done this before, so I wonder why it's not. I click next, and then I browse for the image that I want to use. Pick this up, I add it, I upload the image, and give it time to load. And then I click on next, and I click on PNG. I've been doing this. I wonder why. All right, let me try again to see. Perfect. So here is a composite now. So I can use this for my A plus content. I can use this for my A plus content, right? So, and now I can come over here and edit this. So all of these images, I told us earlier, I created these images using ideogram. So I know the next question you're asking is, how did I get all of this right up? So let me show you how to quickly generate content like this for your write up. So I will go to, all right, let me just edit this. All right, so I'm editing this. I edit, um, let me edit this. I don't like the position of this image. So let me replace this. You click on remove this. You want to add new images. You pick the one you want to add, you know. So you want to add this, and then you zoom it, or you drag it to your desired position and you zoom. Always remember to add the keywords, image keywords. So add something there. All right. So I have that this image added. And then for this background, this one is still the same stuff. If you click on edit image now, you delete this, you can go back and upload another image. So there's no need of doing all of that. So let me just okay, let me add another module. So if I'm adding another module, I just do this. I click on any model, any stuff you want to do, you can do it here. You see this description is showing that you can have an image here and a text. You see this one, so you can add all of this, just like that example that we saw. So we saw something like this. So you can add image, you write something about the book, and then a bullet point like this, and then you can add image like this, something about your book, you know, text in this format and all of that. So depending on the one you want, you can pick it up and then you do accordingly. So let me say I want to use this. So I click on this. I will go and add that image that I just created. Add this and then click on add. And then I will drag it to the desired position. Then the keyword, I will say lost book of herbal remedy, add. All right, so I have that. And then for the text, you can add something here. Sometimes I stubbornly leave this, but they said it's required, so I really have to add something. So let me go to, I just hope I see where I generated those stuff. So here is how I generate content for my A plus content. So how I do that is that depending on the book that I want to work on, I will look at this prompt here. I say using without making claims or using words or phrase that goes against Amazon content guideline for A plus content. Using the information below, develop for me 6 bullet point summary, an action statement for the A plus content for my book on Amazon. Give each point a captivating headline and expand on the concept as a whole. So I put the title of my book. So what I copy the description. So let me go to Amazon.com and copy the details of my book. Where is it? Gosh. All right, let me just go to, okay. Let me go to Amazon.com and copy the details of herbal remedy, lost book. Let me just search for lost book of herbal remedy. Depending on the book you want to create A plus content for. So make sure that it's your book. So let's say this is my book and I want to create A plus content for this book. I will just open this book up and then I will copy the book title and description. Copy it to this point. Let me go to my notepad and edit something that I'm not too okay with there. So I will remove all of this information because they are not relevant to what I want to do now. So let me delete this. All right, so here is it. I copy this and then I go to ChatGPT. So here is the prompt and here is the book description. So gosh, all right. So let me paste this here, new chat. Let me start a new chat. So I paste this book description details that I've copied, and then let me go and copy this prompt. So here's a prompt that you can type this prompt out, and use it yourself. You don't have any issue. So that is the quickest way I generate A plus content for my work. So I paste this prompt and then I will click on this. So as soon as I click on this, it will start creating content for me, you see. So all I just have to do is to copy this out and then use it to develop my A plus content. So, so I can copy this, transform your heads naturally, and then go back to okay, I use this as my headline. I use this as my headline and then discover the whatever. I just copy this and then I will add this up. Please, before you use any stuff, ensure you go read Amazon A plus content guideline. So Amazon don't tolerate anything relating to drugs. So let me read through this very well to ensure that I'm not. Discover the power of nature remedy to manage anxiety, insomnia, diabetes, and more. This book offers a comprehensive collection of proven herbal solutions inspired by the wisdom, whatever, to help you achieve a full body health without relying on expensive drugs. To help you achieve full body health. Okay. Let me remove this. Full stop. All right. So, okay. So I want to position this above. So I will take it up. All right. So I like it this way. Perfect. So all I just have to do is to click on next, apply ASIN. So you click on apply ASIN. So how do you get your ASIN? You go to your book. You go to your book and then you copy the ASIN of this is the ASIN. You copy it this way and you come here, you search, you paste it. Sorry, like there's a mistake. Let me copy the ASIN again. Copy, you go back, search ASIN. You search for it, you see it here. So you paste it and automatically it will pick it up and you have it there. So since this A plus content is for English, I won't be adding this one because this one is a French edition of my book. So I won't add it to the English version. If I want to create A plus content for French, I automatically switch to the French market and create that. So the idea is the same. So you copy the ASIN of all the books, you copy for ebook, you copy for paperback, and you copy for hardcover, and then you add them up. So as you click, you add, you click, you add, and automatically everything will be populated for you. So you click next, review, and submit. So you see that A plus content have been added to 3, which is ebook, paperback, and hardcover. You see it in this version. This is the desktop version, and all of that. And this is a mobile version. So if you're okay with everything you see here, you click on what submit for approval. Submit for approval. So sometimes it doesn't take up to seconds. Your stuff will show approved. So, but now the status is what submitted. So as soon as it is approved, it will show approved. So now the next question you guys will be asking is how do you get all of those images? I said I got it from I generated those images using ideogram, right? So to get it on ideogram, you can use ideogram Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI. You can use Leonardo AI to generate all those color all those beautiful images. So I have already done a video on how to generate images using Leonardo AI. So I won't have to do that again. So come to this video how to generate how to generate images for your book. So go and watch that video. You know how to generate image, for your work, right? So that is that for A plus content. And thank you. God bless you.